YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today this is going to be part 2 of the making a Roblox FPS game. So yeah, if you guys have not seen the last one, it was actually last year, so it was a couple months ago. It was a while ago. I'm just going to be updating you guys on the game's progress. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so I don't think I ever show you guys any of these renders. So here is the Dash Landers render. The presentation. So I'm going to break down the editing for you. So let me take all of these and move it down here. Just give me a second. Okay, so alright, so first of all we have the gun, right? This is the raw render here, and then right here I just duplicated the gun. So what I did was I copied it like this, control click, use the color black and hit alt backspace so you can fill it with black. And then if you go control T, you can hold shift, move this down like that, and then you're going to filter blur and the Gaussian blur like that, and obviously you can lower the opacity. So that's how you can make the shadow right here. And then I just did this, so what's it called, the slide thing for the background and then just this slight highlight here. Next, that's the logo. Added some highlights onto the gun. The text is right here. Light from up top, another one. Some sparkles, particles, as you can see. Okay, this is not supposed to be here, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, but I think it looks really nice. Alright, so right here is some of the camos for the Dash Landers. So let me show you guys. The first one is the copper. So how Reticle is going to work is for each gun you have, you're going to have completionist camos, just like Call of Duty, if you guys have played the series. So for example, let's say with the Dash Lander, right? Let's say with this gun, if you get 250 kills with this weapon, you will unlock the copper skin. And let's say you get 500 kills, you get the silver skin. I don't know where the gold is, but and then the final one is the platinum right here, which looks pretty nice in game. So this right here is the gold camo right here, as you can see. Looks pretty cool. Make sure to check out our store at gfxcomment.com. We have free templates, free graphics packs, as well as user interface and much more you can check out at our store. Thank you for all of the support, and with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This right here is just some skins. Tiger, pretty nice skin. What else do we have? Got this really nice wave pattern thingy. We have a pixel skin, and we have an inferno skin right here. So all this is pretty cool. This is all going to be in the game. Just a little update on the game's progress. So we have temporarily halted progress for just a couple months to work on some other stuff, but progress is going to be resuming really soon because our map designer is on vacation for like a month. But once he gets back, progress is going to resume, and you guys are going to see a lot more updates regarding Redux. Right here is the Nobles, the royal skin or color variation. As you can see, the gold. I think this looks really nice. Let me see what else I have here I can show you guys. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys some sniper reticles that I made. So here's the first sniper scope. Actually, the second one. Here's the first one. This is the basic. Let me dissect how exactly I made this. So first of all, the circle in the middle is for the actual scope. Vignettes go around, an extra layer, and then we have the actual scope developing here. Inner lines, more darkening, as you can see, and then the actual reticles right here. And then here is the second reticle. As you can see, it starts off the same with the scope, except with the red lines, the circle in the middle, the little dots, and this thing. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me show you guys the rank progression. I think that will be interesting. So let me show you guys the rank progression. So as you can see, it's gonna go up to 55 levels right here. So start from 1, recruit, novice, novice 2, private, private 2, corporal, adept, adept 2, adept 3, hunter, officer, officer 2, officer 3, high officer, guardian, guardian 2, 3, MSG, which stands for master guardian, 2, 3, first. We have captain, 1, 2, 3, major, 1, 2, 3, and then it goes all the way to royal, royal 2, royal 3, and imperial for the last rank. But that is the last rank out of the base ranks, because we're going to have a prestige system. So prestige 1, as you can see, 2 and 3, which looks super cool. So yeah, it's gonna take a we intend to have it take a long time to rank up from this 1 to 55 right here. It's gonna take like a year or two, I don't know. You're going to have to play a lot, because so this game is going to have very nice progression. You're gonna have incentive to keep playing and work towards, you know, earning more stuff. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the entire network of UI we have right here. So let's start from, okay, so right here, weapon loadout. This was the old one, so instead of having this background, which I think looks really distracting, we're just gonna have a plain color background like this. So your weapon, primary, secondary, your EXP bar, your weapon level right here, enter character builder, which I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, here you, let's say you click right here, you will enter this page where you can select assault rifles, fusion rifles, machine guns, snipers. This right here is for the skins, so own skins and completionist, which I showed you guys earlier. You can earn the copper, silver, gold, and platinum skins. So let me zoom out real quick. Okay, so here is the weapon stats page, as you can see. BPX2, level 5, owned, EXP, overview, and stats, damage. Stats pertains to your personal stats with this gun, as opposed to the actual weapon stats. So it's like, you know, how many kills you got, your headshot rate, stuff like that. You scroll down, as you can see, weapon kills, deaths, headshots, accuracy, level. I think it all looks super clean. And now for the character builder right here. This is super cool. So you have your points and you can build your character as you level up, which I'll show you guys the level 1 to 55 to imperial rank. So you're gonna get points and you can build your character if you guys have played Destiny 2. So you can add mobility, resilience, recovery, discipline, intellect, and the strength, and you can build your character up. Right here with this button you can equip mods. So right here, select a modification. Here's the page, owned, your list of mods that you own, your collection of mods that you have. So alright, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for part 3. Stay tuned. And yeah, join our Discord, check our store. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.